Welcome to Support Genius. We offer free tech support to our subscribers. Please subscribe and tell us about your problem in the comments under this video. We will help you for free. Let's go. Welcome to Support Genius channel. I'm Andy Gorman, and today I'll show you the simplest and fastest way to take a screenshot on any version of Windows. Locate two buttons on your keyboard. The first button is called Windows Logo Key. It is the one with the Windows icon. It's usually located in the bottom row on the left. The second button is Print Screen. It's typically situated in the right part of the top row of the keyboard. This button may have abbreviated names. Here are some variations. All you need to do is press and hold the Windows key, and then press the Print Screen button. It looks like this. At this moment, you'll see a brief flash on your screen, resembling the snap of a camera shutter. And that's it. Let me show it a bit closer. Now, your screenshot is saved on your computer. Finding it is very easy. Open File Explorer, and on the left, you'll see the Pictures folder. Open this folder, and inside, there's a Screenshots folder. This is where all our screenshots are saved. Our screenshot will be the most recent one and will have the highest number. Now we can rename or copy or edit it, and so on. There are also options to take screenshots of only the active window or a specific area of the screen. I'll show these methods in one of the next videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. We offer free technical support for subscribers to our channel. Please subscribe and tell us about your issue in the comments below this video. We'll try to respond right away if the problem is not complicated or create a video solution. We'll be happy to help you. See you.